here we're going to look at question number 2 on our worksheet. True or false? Perimeter is the sum of all sides, while area is the number of squares needed to cover a surface. So let's look at our formula sheet here. And it says perimeter is the sum of all sides. Well, we can kind of look at here where it says S, 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 S. That sounds like it's correct. And then it says area is the number of squares needed to cover a surface. And if you can go back to when I was telling you the definition, we talked about the squares inside of the square, and that's what was the area of the square. So for this one, it is true. So we will go in and circle true. Now we'll move on to question number 3. Now this is where you can begin to take out your calculator and we will go through it together. Now, Jessie planted a garden in her backyard. The picture shows the dimensions of her garden. Her garden is 6 feet by 2 feet. What is the area of Jessie's garden in square feet? So here's something new, square feet. Square feet is the way you're going to label your number. And once we get this answer, I'll show you how. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at our formula, area equals length times width. So we'll get our calculator out and we'll do 6 times 2 and we'll equals 12. So the answer is 12, but then it wants to know in square feet. So this is where you can either go feet squared, or you can do 12 square feet, or you can do that 12 feet squared. So those are options of the ways that you can answer your question, but one that we kind of tend to use is this one, the very first one that I wrote. So moving on, we can go to question number 4. Alex had to order new carpet for her bedroom and living room. After measuring her rooms, how many square feet of carpet did she order? So here we have 2 different sizes of carpets. So we'll go with our area formula, length times width. So we go 7 times 4, and we're gonna get 28. So we'll do 28 here. And then we'll do 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And then, but we want to add both of these together to get our answer. So then 28 plus 6 equals 34. So then we get 34 here. So then we're going to write 34 feet squared. And that right there, guys, is our answer. Now moving on to question number 5. It says, circle which fence has a perimeter of 122 feet. So here we have perimeter as 4S, but you can tell that these sides are different. So we are going to go perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side. Or you could do the other, P equals 2 times L plus width. So those are your 2 options right there. I'm going to go with the adding up the sides. So here we're going to know that this is 20, this is 22. So we're going to go 20 plus 22 plus 20 plus 22. We're going to get 84 feet. That is around 84 feet. And now we'll move on to this one. I'm going to show you in the calculator. We're going to do 30 plus 20 plus 30 plus 20, and we will get our answer of 100. So that's not 122. So that's 100 feet. The next one we will do is going to be 41, 20. This is going to be 41 and 20. So we'll go 41 plus 20 plus 41 plus, oops, hold on. 41 plus 20 plus 41 plus 20 equals 122. 122 feet. So this looks like it's what it's looking for. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to do it with this one. So length and the width, we're going to do 41 plus 20. That right there equals 61. Then it says to multiply these two by 2. So we're going to go 61 times 2 equals 122. So right there you can see how you get the same answer doing it that way as well. Number 6. A rectangular pool has a length of 30 feet and a width of 3 feet. What is the area of the pool? So here again we're looking for area. Area equals length times width. So we'll get our handy calculator out, and 30 times 3 equals 90 square feet. So 90 square feet. That's pretty simple right there. Now number 7. Mary built a house that measured 75 feet long and 20 feet wide. What was the area of Mary's house? So here we have our formula. Area equals length times width. And then we just going to replace these numbers with 75 and 20. And we'll get our calculator out. And we'll do 75 times 20. And we get 1,500. And we already have the label right there, feet squared. So 1,500 feet squared. And last but not least, number 8. Sherry is painting the wall of her bedroom. What is the area of one wall? So this is one wall in her bedroom. It's 6 feet by 5 feet. Formula, length times width. What we just need to do is replace those letters with the numbers. So this length is 6, the width is 5. We do 6 times 5, and what do we get? 30 square feet. So we're going to write our answer right here. And that is it. So I hope that y'all have learned the area definition and perimeter definition, as well as formulas for both. And these examples and worksheet have helped you out. Thank you very much.